Think you know the benefits of exercise? Think again. I'm Keith, part of the clinical team here at Aviva, and welcome to Health 101. I'm not talking about running a marathon or lifting weights you can barely move. I'm talking about the simple, sneaky ways to get your body moving and actually enjoy it. So why bother exercising at all? Picture this. Your heart, your muscles, your bones, they all love a little action. Even tiny habits like getting off the bus one stop early. We all know that exercise is good for you. I mean, really good for you. We all know exercise keeps your ticker strong, your muscles toned, and your bones happy. It helps improve balance, mobility, and helps with weight management. Your brain loves it too. Regular movement can help to cut stress, lift your mood, and can lower anxiety. Making exercise part of your day isn't just for show. Regular movement helps to keep you steady on your feet, reduces falls and fractures, and allows you to age like fine wine and live your best life. These small changes can lower your risk of big nasty stuff like heart disease, diabetes, and even some cancers, including breast cancer and bowel cancer. That's right, moving a little could help cut your risk. Not bad, eh? Now, let's talk reality. You don't need a gym, a personal trainer, or a fancy exercise bike that costs more than your rent. You could sneak exercise into your day without it feeling like a chore. Take lunchtime walks, cycle the kids to school, or take the stairs instead of the lift. Because here's the thing, we've been sold this idea that exercise has to be intense, time-consuming, or frankly, a bit miserable. But in reality, it's the small everyday movements that quietly do the heavy lifting. Because the goal isn't perfection, it's consistently moving. Small, sustainable changes that fit into your life, not take it over. You don't have to run a marathon or lift like hundreds of kilos on the barbells. Even small daily movement strengthens your heart, boosts your mood, and keeps you in charge of your health. So visit aviva.co.uk and make that first step. Or 20 of them, instead of waiting for the lift.